You are looking right now at how we kill germs today in your home, in our schools, every public building. We use sanitizers, we use chemicals, bleach, hand creams. They are the strongest cleaning agents on the market. But now, an Indiana-based company is changing the game when it comes to how we kill germs, diseases, and how we fight bacteria. The cleaning industry, hospitals, schools, they are all taking notice, and so should you. Here's why. They are the germiest places we go. Weight rooms, locker rooms, schools, hospitals, waiting rooms, bathrooms. Germs are everywhere.
Wow. Good job.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Purell. 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 Purell.
It's funny, but this is how we fight germs. We wipe it, spray it, spread it, pump it. But have you ever thought about what happens after you spray?
The problem is that once it's rinsed or something is touched, that protection goes away. So it might last 1 minute, 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes at the most.
That's right. You clean your desk, you disinfect your keyboard. Someone comes here not even a minute later. They sit down, they sneeze, your desk is now contaminated, and chances are you're about to get sick. Nate Richardson is a disabled military veteran. His specialty, biology and chemistry. He's also the president and managing partner of Coeus Technology in Anderson, Indiana, home to the patented Monofoil technology. Monofoil is changing the game when it comes to how we fight germs and how you clean and disinfect your home. The secret is in the science. Monofoil kills germs as soon as it touches the surface, just like most cleaners. But it goes one major step further. Monofoil is a molecular breakthrough. When applied, it bonds to any surface, and its germ-fighting power blows up any germ or microbe that touches it or gets near it.
Order march.
Think of a military IED on the battlefield. It sits on the surface, and anything that gets close or touches it blows up. That's how Monofoil works. It's science. No harsh chemicals, no alcohol, no bleach, no ammonia. Once the Monofoil bonding technology is on, it sticks to any surface for weeks, months, even years. That means it keeps killing any new germs long after you apply it.
In the past, I never thought about it too much until it became an issue here, where a lot of guys are picking up the staph infection of the MRSA virus.
Brendan Sherman is a fifth-year senior tight end on the Marion University football team. He remembers some of his teammates were missing games and hospitalized because of staph infections and the MRSA virus. 150 football players and 300 student athletes use the Marion University weight room. If left untreated, staph infections can be deadly. Coach Karras knew they needed to do something powerful. Marion University was the first to test the Monofoil technology. Coach Karras showed me where they applied it.
Basically a spray and a fogging of the locker room, weight room, and equipment room.
Now, before Monofoil, Marion had at least 20 cases of staph infections. Now, after Monofoil, 2 years later, both Coach Karras and the facilities manager say there is nothing stronger on the market. Why? They have no staph infections or MRSA cases since Monofoil was applied.
But the proof is in the pudding, so to speak, because nobody's gotten ill since then.
I think it's like a silent assassin. I mean, you know, they spray or they fog one day, and then from there on out, there's no more problems. I mean, so it's working, you know, when we're not around, and it's working 24 hours a day from the moment they spray it.
The largest companies in the world that play in this market have never been able to figure out how to put it into a disposable wipe.
And with this kind of germ-fighting power and durability, hospitals, schools, and public buildings are now turning to Monofoil. Community Hospital in Anderson is leading the way.
The product in itself is, like we said, it's game-changing. I mean, it can give us some results that would just do nothing but add protection to our environment and just reduce the number of viruses that get spread and bacteria that get spread, and that's huge.
Sherry Sidwell is Vice President of Integrated Support Services at Community Hospital Anderson. She is also President of the International Executive Housekeepers Association for hotels, public buildings, hospitals, and schools worldwide. The schools now using Monofoil have a sharp increase in attendance. They no longer have to shut down because of flu and sickness.
Children bring home colds and flu, and when you think about putting down this type of a product, and with the proven results that it can last in between cleanings, you're just putting an added protection there.
I've never seen anything like this before. It really works.
And Bob, this is such a major breakthrough. Right now, Walt Disney is using Monofoil in all of their theme parks. 3 of the biggest hotels in Las Vegas, they use it, and now our U.S. military is getting ready to put it in the uniforms of our servicemen and servicewomen. I mean, the results are so powerful. Notre Dame, Ball State, the academies, Georgia Tech, they're all using Monofoil.
Comes in a lot of different forms that we have right here.
Yeah, and you can use Monofoil at home, too. You can actually get Monofoil in sprays and wipes. The wipes are very easy to use. It even comes in laundry detergent, so you can treat your clothes when you wash your clothes. Right now, Coas Technologies, they're trying to identify where they're going to build their new plant. They're between Anderson, Indianapolis, and also Noblesville. But they say they want to produce the world's best and strongest germ fighter right here in Central Indiana.
Everybody watching at home is wondering how much.
I know, that is the question. How can you get this? And it's very affordable. You can get any of these products